Hi everyone, thanks for checking out this video. So there's going to be like a super quick like interlude video basically just to like wrap up the first half of this course and then give like a super quick introduction to what will be the second half of this course. So yeah, like I mentioned before, there's two projects in this course. So the first one that we just did was based on the this transcription step of the central dogma, and yeah, doing what's called like transcriptomics, which was dealing with like gene expression data. Again, the mRNA abundance data measuring gene expression, and then trying to look for genes that were differentially expressed. So that was the project we just wrapped up. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everything made sense and you learned a lot from it. And then the second project we're going to do is going to be what's called a genomics project, where if you guys remember, the omics suffix again just means like the big data study of something. So we have like proteomics, big data study of proteins, transcriptomics, big data study of transcripts or mRNA strands, and then genomics, big data study of genes or the DNA. So yeah, this next part of the course is going to be about genomics, basically transitioning away from focusing on the mRNA to more focusing on the actual DNA itself and the genes and the actual sequence of nucleotides that make up the DNA basically. So yeah, we're about halfway through the course. We just wrapped up project 1, the transcriptomics project. And yeah, next the next half of the course that's coming is going to be about genomics. The study of the DNA, the actual sequence of nucleotides, sequence of these A, T, C, and G letters, basically, and how they encode information. Yeah, so more on that to come. If you guys are enjoying the course so far for this first half, I hope you continue watching the second half. But yeah, this is just like a brief interlude video to like break up the course, wrap up the first project, and introduce this second half of the course, which will be about genomics. So yeah, more videos will be coming soon on genomics, basically. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as usual, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and yeah, see you guys next time.